Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. But as if I decide to post this, technically this is my third sound test. Check 1, 2, 3, sound testing. It's like we are recording. Okay, so this is my third sound test. I got some feedback before my first video that the sounds were too low and quiet, including my voice. So I am trying to work on that by upping the environmental ambiance sounds and by upping the microphone and trying to project my voice a little bit more. I'm not very used to speaking from my diaphragm, but that is definitely something that I should work on and get more used to. Especially in light of recent events with my sickness and my losing my voice for so long. Because I lose my voice every time I get sick for the full duration of the time that I'm sick. So this is my character Rwby, and yes, she is named after the amazing Rooster Teeth anime Rwby. I love it, and I've seen all the seasons. Seriously considering merchandise. And this is our friend and hunting companion, Weiss. They make a really good team, just like Rwby and Weiss did in the show. And this character I made into a redhead in honor of Pyrrha. May that character rest in peace. So I'm hoping that my voice can be heard okay. This guy's got one of those cool mammoths where you can shop and get stuff. Lucky. Okay. As you can see, I'm just kind of roaming around. This character is basically done... Well, she's done most of the quests here. I did see another quest in the inn. Yep, there's another one over here. And I'm not sure how many more after that. There's apparently a chain of quests in this area. You can't pick it up here. You pick it up at one of the other buildings in town. This one over here with Kalor standing outside. I forget who in here you pick it up from, but it's somebody in here. Anyway, it's a chain quest that basically, with each of the quests, you bring somebody something, and ultimately, I think there's this hermit character that puts it all together in a potion. And when the potion is finished, you realize that you basically helped a mad scientist create a very grotesque kind of Frankenstein that attacks the town. I've normally, like in the past, I've done what I can to avoid that quest. I know what's going to happen because I've seen it in, with other people, my fiance, other playthroughs, and just hearing about it being talked about online. So I know what's going to happen, and I really don't want to be aiding and abetting the villain. And yeah, at the end you do take down the monster and you save the town, so you earn the town's trust back. But, I mean, the monster itself too is very, very grotesque. The kind of monster that would definitely make me feel a little nauseous to see regularly, and that would probably show up in my nightmares. So I don't mind about 80% creepy mixed in with humor. I do mind when it's creepy and gross. If that makes any sense. Like, I can I can happily watch Halloween movies as long as there isn't any gore. So I guess the Halloween that I really enjoy doesn't have anything to do with the... my character's getting all wet. The Halloween that I really enjoy doesn't have anything to do with the scary carnivals and what is that thing that Universal does? The horror nights at Universal? Yeah, no, that's not my Halloween. My Halloween is Casper and Twitches and coming onto a world of Warcraft to do quests in a spooky village. And have a fun Halloween party with just a few close friends. We all dress up and watch those movies, or Haunted Mansion with Eddie Murphy. I love that movie. It's my Halloween tradition to at least see that, if nothing else. Okay, but enough about Halloween. I'm not gonna do any quests right now since this is technically a sound check. And it's been so long since I played this character, I've lost track of everything that she's done. So I don't know if this is the last quest in this town or not. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. No, you know what? I'm gonna leave her in the end. And I'm going to log out here. And see how the sound check goes. I might post this if it goes really well. And I think this was a fun video. I might not. And if I do post it, then thank you all for watching me run around and ramble on about stuff. I love you, and I appreciate you. Alright. I'll see you guys next time for the next video.